Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to go about installing Google Chrome on your Windows 10 device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys, if you want to install Windows 10 on your laptop, desktop, or tablet computer. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser and into Google search. You want to search for Google Chrome. Go ahead and search for that. One of the best results should be a google.com domain. It says secure browsing on Chrome. And if you want to go underneath a non-sponsored ad, I probably would suggest doing so. So going to google.com, there should be a Google Chrome link here. Go ahead and select that. Should be google.com at the top. You can automatically send usage statistics or opt out of it by unchecking this option down here. And then you'll select download Chrome. And then once it's downloaded on your device, go ahead and open up that file to run it. It should be a verified publisher from Google. Select yes, and then allow this to download and install. And there you go, guys. Pretty straightforward process on that. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.